Hey guys, Nick here with another room tour. This time we're at Votsalaki Resort near Paradise Beach in Mykonos, Greece. Let's go ahead and check it out. Upon entering Executive Studio 8, you'll find a clean and tidy little space. As soon as you walk through the door, you can see that gorgeous bay view. On the left-hand side of the room, you'll see a counter space, a coffee maker, a mini fridge underneath the cabinet, and space for your belongings. Let's head out to the balcony. On the balcony, there's a set of chairs and a table, a drying rack for your clothes and bathing suit, and then spectacular views. Let's head back inside. Back inside you'll see the full bed, which is pretty comfy, and your bath towels, a spot for your luggage, and the built-in nightstand. As we enter the bathroom, we can see the toilet, some counter space, mirror and lights to get ready, and then on your left hand side will be the built-in shower.